Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're doing this video on a 2014 Honda Accord, and this video specifically for the high pressure fuel pump. As you guys can see from the video, well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to give you a diagnosis on issues that you guys might have. If you guys have this going out on you, obviously a crank no start situation would be one of the issues. If the pump needs to be replaced, this is the high pressure pump. I'm pretty sure there's a low pressure pump, and good thing that's easy to get to. As you guys can see, it's obviously right there, and there's a plug and a couple of things you need to take off. Yeah, so it's pretty easy to replace, but let's just talk about some of the symptoms of failing high pressure fuel pumps. Obviously, you guys want to get that out of the way just to make sure that that's a part that you guys want to replace. It's not the most difficult thing to replace, as you guys can see. You guys don't need to jack up a car. It's right there under the hood. So if you guys have this issue, you guys probably will have decreased mileage. A fuel pump that's going out can cause an imbalance in fuel mixture, which can lead to increased fuel consumption and decreased mileage. Obviously, that's the case if the pump is not totally going out. Could have power loss, and you could notice a loss of power if your engine is under stress. If you're driving uphill, towing something heavy, it could be a sign of a failing fuel pump. Sputtering, if your engine sputters and threatens to stall, it could be because the fuel pump can't produce a constant stream of gas at higher speeds. No start, obviously you guys could have if you guys have a crank no start issue. A crank meaning that the starter will crank it, but it's not putting out gas to the engine, so you're not going to be able to get it started. Surging, if your vehicle suddenly increases its speed while you're trying to maintain a constant speed, it could be a sign of a failing fuel pump. Also, you can have difficulty starting. It could start sometimes and not start other times. Engine misfires, a rough idle, and if you guys are looking for the causes of this, let's talk about the causes of this. Obviously, the causes of this could be a lot of things. Fuel filter. You guys might want to just check up just to see if you guys have a pressure gauge or gas pressure gauge to see if it's putting out. There's just so many things that could cause a crank no start situation. You guys have this problem. You guys probably have this problem because of crank no start situation. Probably not because of a loss of power. Normally, when these pumps go out, they just go out. They don't malfunction slowly going out. They just go out. So the other stuff, as far as you know, the engine running and it's not putting out enough gas, etc., could be a fuel filter issue. But to be honest with you, the main cause of this is it's probably that you have a crank no start issue, which, if you guys have that issue, it could be the cause of a bunch of other things. But in any case, if you guys are looking at trying to replace this, it's not difficult to get to, fairly easy to do. And if you guys have any questions, definitely drop a question in the comment section. Let us know. Yeah, leave a question. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff, guys. Take care.